Good morning, everyone. Here's your boy DJ Angel Production from Mozambique. Today, I do have my tutorial here, and I would like to share the tips and ideas which I used within this instrumental. So, guys from Zimbabwe, thank you so much because you're subscribing. You are supporting my channel to grow. So, without talking too much, I will open my project. I have opened my project here, and I will explain you how I did it. So first of all, we will start with the drums. After the drums, we will enter the melody sections. After the melody sections, we will see everything, and I will show you the little secrets that you should apply for your beats whenever you are making your beat. So let us enter the drums. Here are the drums. They are very simple to make. They are not very complex. Let us play to hear how they sound. So very easy. He would have a kick, he would have a hi-hat and a conga, and also we do have a hi-hat. After I drew this melody, I came down here and I chose one of the native plugin which is called Shishite, and I drew this melody. Let us hear how they sound. So this is a traditional beat, as as this is this is a traditional beat, is mostly made in Zimbabwe with one of the famous singer who is called Alec Macheso. So let us pay attention to the way they play. So I didn't make a remake of their beat. I'm only showing you how to make that type of beat. So I chose one of the preset which is called the jazz hall. After I played the jazz hall, I came down here to play one melody to coordinate. Okay, after this melody, I came here to draw the bass. So the bass is very simple. This is not a bass, so it is one of the melody which gives a sentimental part. It emphasizes. You see, they are coordinating. So it's very important when you are making your beat to consider the theory of coordination. See, we already know that if you want to start making the beat, it is very essential for you to know the theory, how to play piano, or to know something else. But we are not playing with MIDI, we are not playing with the piano, we are using mouse and we are playing with the computer. So use the theory of coordination. If you coordinate your notes, they will be very good. So don't draw everything which come in your mind. No. Just draw the essential, the basic things. After I drew this, I came here to draw the bass. So this is a bass. It is very simple. It's not difficult for you to make. You can follow me if you have opened your computer there. And after I drew this bass, let us hear again. After the bass, I came here to draw another melody from this plugin, which is a subtractor. After this plugin, I had to draw another melody here that is very beautiful. Let us pay attention to how they sound. So I used the pitch to make them sound a little bit professional. So it's not easy to to make the pitch, since you must know where to put the pitch. So if you want for me to start from the beginning up to the end to explaining you how to make the pitch, comment in the comment section and subscribe to my channel, since I'm here to help you. I'm giving all the tips and ideas for free. I'm not selling them, since I created this channel for you only to I created this channel for you to produce, to be the producer. So after the melody, let us hear all the entire tutorial to hear how the melodies which I showed you sound. Very simple, guys. This part that you are seeing here is for you to draw your melodies, and this part is for you to select the plugins which you want to draw the melodies here. So it's very easy. So if you want for me to start from zero explaining you how to use this program, comment there and I will see your questions later and I will answer you. So for example, if you come here and you see this black area, if you click with the right button of your mouse, and it will display information like this. These are the subtractor, we have Tor, we have metronome. These are the plugins that you are supposed to use for your plugins and for your melodies. And here we have a equalizer, we have a compressor for you to equalize your beat to make masterization. We have a reverb. We have a lot of things here that I will explain in the next tutorial. See if I start explaining you how to start the beat from beginning. So for you to access the presets, it is very important to locate where's the icon. For example, there's an icon, it looks like it's a bag. If you click there, you will find a lot of presets here that it depends on your preference for you to choose. So let us play again to hear how the beat sound. So very simple. So as I always say to you, to make the coordination, to look for best presets, I always use just whole from this plugin, which is NNChite. As you can see, it is written here, and if you click here, you will see this icon which looks like it's a bag. And if you click in this icon, you will see a lot of things here. We do have a television. These are the presets which you can use for your melodies, and we have a lot of things here. In this program, it doesn't use external plugins like Purity, Nexus. No. Everything is for free. What worries you is it is only the melodies. You should be worried to draw the melodies, to use your creativity. And something else, not to worry about the downloading. No, something like that. So let us play again, since this is for you. And after that, I created the break. The break is the part which tells the singer that the part which they are following is another party, or the party which they are leaving is another party. So it's very important for you to draw the breaks. The breaks tell if the instrumental is changing or if it is not. So thank you very much for watching, guys, from Zimbabwe. Subscribe to my channel. I will be here to explain you everything you need to know, everything you need to apply for your beat, to improve your abilities, your skills of producing. So thank you very much. See you in the next tutorials.